Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Thousand Island dressing. To start, grab a medium bowl and combine 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of rich ketchup. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, which adds a delightful texture and tang. Finally, incorporate 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion to give it that essential aromatic kick. This forms the perfect foundation for our classic dressing. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. This secret ingredient provides a wonderful savory depth that truly makes a difference. Then, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten up the entire dressing with a zesty note. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring a perfectly balanced flavor. Achieving the right consistency is key for a perfect Thousand Island dressing. Take a whisk and thoroughly combine all the ingredients you've added so far. Mix until everything is smoothly incorporated and there are no visible lumps, ensuring a uniform texture. Once it looks good, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust any seasonings, adding a little more salt, pepper, or lemon juice to match your personal preference perfectly. For the best flavor, cover your freshly made Thousand Island dressing and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Any leftover dressing can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week, so you can enjoy it throughout the week. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.